In a cozy little house, with window boxes overflowing with bright red geraniums, lived a girl named Sheila. Sheila wasn't just any girl. She had hair the color of warm honey, eyes like sparkling emeralds, and a smile that could chase away any cloudy day. Her most prized possession was a magnificent purple dollhouse, a grand mansion for her collection of tiny, elegant dolls. One crisp Saturday morning, the air outside smelling of fresh pine and dew, Sheila decided it was time for a grand redecoration of her dollhouse. She wanted to build a brand new, spectacular roof garden for the dolls, complete with a tiny pond and a miniature winding path. Sheila excitedly gathered her supplies: a sturdy cardboard box for the base, some shiny blue foil for the pond, twigs for trees, and pebbles for the path. First, she tried to glue the cardboard box directly onto the dollhouse roof. Splat! It wobbled precariously and slid right off, taking a tiny chimney with it. Oh dear, Sheila sighed, a frown crinkling her brow. She picked up the cardboard again, determined. Maybe more glue. She globbed on extra sticky glue, but the same thing happened. Splat! Again. A little voice inside her head started to whisper, "This is too hard, Sheila. Just play with the dolls inside." But Sheila, with her bright emerald eyes, paused. She didn't just rush to try again. She leaned back, tapping her chin thoughtfully. "Globs of glue don't work," she murmured to her favorite doll, Penelope, who sat patiently beside her. She remembered seeing her dad use little wooden blocks to prop up things when he was building. She rummaged through her craft box and found some small, sturdy wooden blocks. Then, with a slow, steady hand, she placed the box on the blocks. It held. A triumphant smile spread across her face. Now came the pond. Sheila had envisioned a beautiful, shimmering blue pond. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.